Hello everyone. Today I have a McMuffin recipe. For breakfast or for any time whenever you are hungry, for you. Let's start making this recipe. First, place a pan on the stove. Using medium heat. Add in half a teaspoon of cooking oil. Add 10 grams of butter. When the oil is hot and the butter has melted, crack the eggs into the pan. Use a spatula to break up the yolk, and wait until the bottom of the egg is cooked. Sprinkle the eggs with a pinch of ground pepper and a pinch of salt. Turn the egg over, and continue to fry them until well cooked. Place fried eggs on a plate. Fry any meat that you have on hand and you like it, such as Canadian bacon, ham, slices sausage, etc. Meanwhile, place one slice of cheese on top of the fried egg, and place the rest of the fried egg accordingly. This will help the cheese melt, because the fried eggs are hot. Place bacon, ham or slices sausage on top. Prepare one English muffin. Cut it in half. Toast the English muffin in the toaster for about 3 minutes. Place the fried eggs, cheese and meat on the English muffin. Place the remaining English muffin on top. I like to serve this dish with ketchup and mayonnaise, trust me, because I think it's delicious. And your simple breakfast is done. Enjoy! Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Wish you all have a good day every day. Thank you very much.